Hello and welcome to another video where we will share with you the proven methods for monetizing your Pinterest traffic that will turn your passion into profit. We will also provide our inner secrets for remaining on top of the newest Pinterest trends and algorithms, so you can keep your revenue rising and stay ahead of the competition. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. Imagine a virtual corkboard where you could pin all of your favorite ideas, thoughts, and goals. That's Pinterest for you. It's a social networking site where it's possible to visually bookmark anything on the internet that you find interesting. You can create boards that represent different categories or subjects that you have an interest in, such as home decor or travel destinations, and then search for photos or videos relating to these topics to pin them on your board. This allows you to simply access and arrange all of your favorite stuff in one location. However, Pinterest is not just for personal use. It's also an effective company promotion technique. Companies can use Pinterest to display their products, boost traffic to their website, and engage with their target audience by creating their own accounts. Also, Pinterest is well known for its highly engaged user base. According to the firm, 85% of Pinterest users plan purchases on the network, and 89% use it for inspiration in their daily lives. Pinterest has something for everyone, whether you're seeking creative ideas for your next project or attempting to build your business. The first step in establishing a presence on Pinterest is creating an account on the site or in the app. After you've set up your account, you can begin pinning content related to your business or niche. This content might be your own products or services, or it could be online material related to your field of interest, such as articles, photographs, or videos. Use relevant keywords and hashtags in your description to ensure that your pins are easily discovered by other users. These keywords and hashtags should correspond to the substance of your pins as well as the interest of your target audience. This increases the likelihood of your pins appearing in relevant search results, which can bring more traffic to your account. It's also necessary to make your descriptions as convincing as possible. Your descriptions should highlight the benefits and qualities of your products or services, or give your audience with relevant insights or information. This will enhance your engagement and click-through rates of your pins, resulting in more conversions and sales for your company. Following that, concentrate on increasing your following by following other users in your niche, commenting on their pins, and sharing their content. This will help you stand out and form relationships with other users, which will lead to more traffic and revenue. Once you've amassed a sizable following, you can begin monetizing your account by participating in affiliate programs or selling your own products directly on Pinterest. Affiliate programs pay you a commission for marketing other people's items, although selling your own products might be a terrific way to produce passive income. The most important trick to making $2,500 per week on Pinterest is consistency. Spending just 10 minutes a day pinning, following, and connecting with other users can gradually but steadily create a devoted following and begin to see benefits. Next, remember to keep up with the newest trends and best practices as you continue to grow your Pinterest presence. Pinterest is continuously changing. Therefore, it's important to remain up to date on algorithms and user behavior changes. You could also think about investing in paid advertising on Pinterest, which can be an extremely successful approach to reach a specific demographic and increase traffic to your website or items. Another important aspect of Pinterest's success is the creation of aesthetically appealing and high-quality material. Investing in producing eye-catching pins and interesting photos and captions will make your content stand out and generate greater user involvement. In addition to advertising your own products or services, try collaborating with other individuals in your field to cross-promote content and expand your reach. This could be an effective strategy to reach out to new consumers and increase brand awareness. Next topic is about helping you stay on top of the newest Pinterest trends. First, you must follow official Pinterest sources. Pinterest posts updates and information through its official channels, such as its blog, support center, and social media profiles on a regular basis. Follow these sources to remain up to date on platform updates and new features. Second is to join Pinterest groups. There are several Pinterest organizations and communities dedicated to sharing Pinterest success, ideas, and methods. Join these communities to meet other people in your expertise and keep up with the newest trends. Third is to attend webinars and conferences. Many Pinterest experts host webinars and online conferences to share their knowledge and insights. Attend these events to hear from professionals and get the lowdown on the newest trends. Fourth, use Pinterest Analytics. Pinterest Analytics gives useful information about your audience and content performance. Use this information to monitor trends and alter your plan as needed. Fifth is to stay on top of Pinterest SEO. Because Pinterest is a search engine, it's vital to stay up to date on the latest SEO best practices. Keep an eye out for algorithm improvements on Pinterest and alter your content and keywords accordingly. Lastly, experiment and test. Do not be afraid to experiment with different techniques and approaches to find what works best for your target audience. A/B testing may be used to test alternative pin styles and descriptions, and tracking your findings can help you find and perfect your strategy over time. To summarize, Pinterest is the virtual corkboard of your fantasies, minus the push pins that always seem to disappear. It's like having your own personal interior designer, travel agent, and chef in one. Not to mention the possibility for significant money. Who knew skimming through photographs of beautiful pups and lovely holidays could lead to a full-time income? Just avoid getting lost in the never-ending sea of DIY tutorials and recipe videos. I've spent hours looking through photos of perfectly organized closets and intricate cake decorating skills, only to discover that I have yet to finish anything on my own to-do list. However, with a little self-discipline and some helpful tips, you can maximize your Pinterest experience and even turn it into a profitable venture. And if all else fails, know that Pinterest is like a virtual BFF who would never condemn you for your dubious wardrobe choices or fascination with cat jokes. So go ahead and pin that humiliating guilty pleasure dish or that crazy fashion trend that you will never wear. A good chuckle is often all you need to lift your spirits, and Pinterest is the perfect place to discover it. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and interesting. Remember that with the appropriate tactics and determination, you can earn $2,500 per week on Pinterest in just 10 minutes each day. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on how to expand your online presence and turn your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.